In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address in Outlook. Making a text link that opens a new email is a simple way to help people contact you with one click, and it keeps your message clean and professional across both Windows and Mac. Start by opening Outlook and creating a new message. You can do this from the Home tab by choosing New Email. This gives you a fresh message window where you can add your hyperlink to the body of the email. Next, select the word or phrase you want to turn into a link. Many people use something like "contact us" or "email me," but you can choose any text that makes sense in your message. If you'd prefer to show the actual address, you can highlight that instead. Either way works. Now open the Insert Hyperlink dialog. You can do this two ways. On the ribbon, go to the Insert tab and click Link. Or, if you like shortcuts, press Ctrl-K on Windows or Command-K on a Mac. Both options open the same dialog window where you'll set up your email link. In the dialog, choose email address as the link type. This tells Outlook you're creating a mail to link, which will open a new email in the recipient's default mail app with your address already filled in. It's a small step that makes a big difference in usability. Enter the details. In the email address box, type the address where you want replies to go. Double-check for typos. A single missing character can break the link. In the text to display box, you can control what appears in your message. If you already highlighted text you like, you can leave this as is. Otherwise, type the wording you want your recipients to see. There's also an optional subject field. If you add a subject here, it will pre-fill the subject line when someone clicks the link, which can help you organize responses or route them more efficiently. When everything looks right, click OK. The text you selected will become a clickable hyperlink. In most themes it appears underlined and colored, signaling it's a link. When your recipient clicks it, their email program opens with your address and, if you added it, the subject line ready to go. That's all you need to create a clear, professional email link in Outlook. Thanks for watching.